Today is the Thursday, the 10th of May. We're over at Whitley Bay, just behind the graveyard. Barney's going for a walk with Oliver. And he's happy. Yay. There he goes. As soon as we let him off the lead, he'll run off, won't he? And where's he going to go? There he is. Oh, he's off. He's off. There he is. Nice little path just behind Whitley Bay graveyard. Beautiful day for a walk. Nice path. Barney! Barney! All about the way, I can't see the dog. There he is. Barney, come here!
Yeah. Come
here! What have we got? Eh?
Barney.
This is a lovely little path. Hey. Lovely sky. I think he's a little bit hot today, Oliver. Yeah. He's not running. He's a little bit warm. There he is. Bonnie. And he's off. And he's off.
Yeah, Barney, can you the water? Go to the water, Barney. Hmm? Yep. Go, Barney. Yep.
Looks muddy.
Yep, look muddy.
Look at you.
Look at you, Barney. Look at you, son.
Oh,
Barney.